Today we're doing a very special collab with Harmony House Art. And if you have not seen Lisa's work, she caught my attention on Instagram, but she does acrylic resin and alcohol ink art. She has a little channel here I want you guys to go support. She does beautiful work and she is a miraculous worker with a blow dryer. Way beyond just a Dutch pour, she does some really pretty, amazing color combinations. You need to visit her channel to see her collab video and to subscribe. Now, Harmony's technique is called blown bullseye, and you will see why she calls it that here in a second. And these are the colors that we decided to go with. These are my versions of the colors, but we decided to go with violet. I went with that folk art. Permanent magenta, that's a pink that we decided. I used that color shift pink flash. I love that paint. It's really fun to work with. Copper, and I use those golden fluids. Pearl, which I use Sargent. Ultramarine violet and purple, those were the purples I chose. Quinacridone crimson, Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold by Deco Art, and a Mars black. And those are the colors that we chose. The cool part about these colors is red and blue make purple, and basically we have a ton of just different shades of red here, all kinds of pinks and reds and magenta, and then we have a few different shades of purple. So when those mix together, you're not going to get anything weird. You're not going to get any off colors or anything like that. So that's one of the fun parts about the color combinations. And Lisa with Harmony House, she has the most amazing color combination. It was one of the things that really attracted me to her art. Now for this part you can use any type of pour that you want. I just did kind of a wandering straight pour, I guess you would call it. You could do a ring pour, doesn't really matter. The part that matters is when you're doing the Harmony's technique, which is the blown bullseye. The part that matters is the bullseye, the center. So you'll see you need to put the color that matches your base coat in the center. And that is what creates the bullseye effect. Now, I'm using my airbrush. Look at that pattern right there. I think that is so pretty. It's like it's almost like a feather. And if there was any way at all, I'm going to play around with this technique a little bit, and there's any way at all I could actually leave it like that, I would try. But of course right now there's just way too much paint, way too thick on the canvas. But man, if I could figure out a way to leave that leaf pattern, I think it would be really pretty. If you guys have any ideas in mind, you can leave me a comment below. So basically I'm just taking that black and from the center of the bullseye, I ran out of the black, so I add a little bit more. But I'm just taking that black and I'm pushing it out through the rest of the paint. And sometimes my finger is too heavy. But it's causing all of these beautiful lacing effects to occur as that black pushes its way through the colors. Now, Lisa, when she does her technique, she uses a blow dryer. And she's a dream with a blow dryer. So this is her blown bullseye. I'm just showing you a little clip as a teaser, you guys. I want you to go to her channel. Go to her channel and watch the beautiful art that she creates. Now, here's a close-up of mine again. I just had to break out my other phone so you could see. Look at all the incredible patterns that were made. Now I'm not that handy with the blow dryer. I did try with the blow dryer first. This is actually my second attempt at this, and I did not have very much success. I am not very facile with a blow dryer. But some tips and tricks she did say using a small travel blow dryer helps, and I don't have one of those. And so maybe if you have a travel blow dryer, or I'm thinking a blow dryer that has one of the ends on it that help direct the air, that you'll have better results than I did. So that's why I used my airbrush, and it doesn't matter, you can do whatever you want. So I decided I wanted to create a little bit of interest, and I started doing some swipes. Thank you to my patrons, all of you. These little donations are really helping support my channel, especially during this challenging time that we're in. So you can support this channel too. There's a PayPal tip jar if you want to leave me a tip in my description box. You can shop in my Amazon shop. Anything that you buy in there, anything, goes to support this channel. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's one way. Or shop for prints and paintings at heathermaderart.com. One of the coolest ways you can support this channel is joining me live for my auction. I have a live auction coming up this Sunday, May 17th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I look forward to seeing you guys there at my auction. Now, wait till you see this painting at the end. It is interesting. I'm loving the colors with the black, all the soft colors, and it really made some interesting patterns there. And I decided to just give a little bit of interest around the outside by using my airbrush. Lots of pinks and purples and gold. Very, very sparkly, this painting. And I will show the dried results if it dries well. How rich. So you guys, please go visit Harmony House Art Lisa and check out her channel. I didn't show a lot of her final painting because I want you to go and give her the views and give her the subscribe and visit her channel. So I'm going to put the link to her in the description box. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to also give you just another sneak peek of her finished painting. I love those cells. Those color shift cells are amazing. But here's the whole thing. It's almost like it looks like it could be a tree at some point, which I could maybe embellish it into a tree. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much to Lisa with Harmony House Art, you guys. Here's a little sneak peek of her finished beautiful painting. Please go visit her channel, Harmony's House Art. The link is in the description box. And give her a subscribe. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.